Take a look at this split screen layout. As we saw in the last video, AI is splitting almost every job into two distinct tracks: the automated task track, where you get replaced, and the professionalized judgment track, where you get paid a premium. Many of you asked how to ensure you land on the right side of that split. With limited free time after work, you need to avoid spending months on certifications that might not protect your specific career. This chart tracks the World Economic Forum's projections for the next few years. It shows a steep curve hitting 44% for workers' existing skills that will require updates by 2027, and a secondary line showing 23% of all jobs changing in that same window. The 2027 deadline is roughly 24 months away. The window to update your skill set before these projections become the market standard is currently open but narrow. But we have clear data on where to focus. Every major 2026 workforce report from McKinsey, LinkedIn, and the World Economic Forum converges on a specific shortlist of human capabilities that AI still cannot reliably replicate. Mastering the 5 skills required to direct and evaluate AI provides a higher immediate return for the average worker than trying to learn the underlying code from scratch. To find the starting point, we have to look at this quadrant chart. We are weighing the time and difficulty required to learn a skill on the bottom axis against the salary and security impact on the vertical axis. The first capability is AI fluency. This is the ability to competently direct, prompt, and evaluate AI tools. It requires zero coding, and you can achieve baseline literacy in a few weeks. Because the effort is low but the impact is significant, it lands in the top left quadrant. The World Economic Forum ties this fluency to 69 million new jobs, and workers mastering agentic AI systems are seeing a 15 to 20% salary premium. This requires a shift away from the old set-and-forget software mentality. Because these tools update weekly, you have to commit to continuous, ongoing microlearning to stay effective. The second capability in this category is data literacy. This is a basic comfort working with numbers, spotting trends, and making data-informed decisions. It is distinctly separate from complex data science. Data-literate roles are projected to see over 400% growth, with mid-level salaries frequently exceeding $120,000. This places it directly next to AI fluency on our chart. For non-technical workers, these two skills form the foundational defense. They offer the lowest barrier to immediately capitalizing on new job creation. Once you know how to use the tools, protect your position by leaning into human behavioral traits that AI cannot replicate in high-stakes environments. Skill number 2 is critical thinking, which 63% of employers now list as a top hiring priority. AI can generate options and drafts at lightning speed, but a human must judge whether that output is factually correct and strategically sound. Next is emotional intelligence. 60% of employers value EQ more today than they did 5 years ago. Reading a room, managing conflict, and building trust remain areas where current systems handle real human interaction poorly. Skill number 4 is adaptability. With nearly half of all workplace skills needing updates in the next 2 years, the ability to pivot is more valuable than holding any single legacy skill set. Look at this bar chart comparing automation risk. Roles relying purely on data processing face a 67% risk of automation, but roles relying on these 3 human judgment skills stay under 15%. This security comes with a specific requirement. You can no longer hide behind routine task execution. You have to accept absolute accountability for the final output, even when it was drafted by a machine. Staying within that low-risk 15% bracket requires you to become the final human in the loop. You are taking the credit or the blame for what the machine produces. For those looking to maximize total income, there is an alternative: the technical AI builder path. This chart shows the financial upside. While data analytics sits at $120,000 and AI specialists earn $150,000, the salary for dedicated builders, like senior AI architects, can exceed $300,000. On our quadrant chart, this elite technical path sits in the extreme top right corner. It offers the highest financial impact, but it demands a multi-year investment in Python, advanced statistics, and deployment architecture. Builders in this space face a specific risk. Newer AI models are increasingly capable of writing and deploying their own backend code. The technical path is a high-reward career rebuild, suited for those willing to compete in a highly volatile sector. For most, the 5 core skills provide a more accessible route. Let's map these 5 skills to the specific job titles that are most resistant to automation in 2026. The hiring data consistently points to roles like cybersecurity directors, elite enterprise sales executives, senior M&A attorneys, and nurse practitioners. The common thread across all these titles is a reliance on physical presence, deep human relationships, or high-stakes strategic judgment. This diagram illustrates a critical nuance: seniority. Junior roles doing routine code or basic QA face a 67% automation risk, but senior versions of those fields sit securely under 15%, where accountability concentrates. Cybersecurity is a prime example, facing a 3.5 million worker shortage, with senior pay around $256,000. Your specific job title matters less than your level of seniority and your willingness to own the final decision. If you are concerned about current job security, prioritize AI fluency and emotional intelligence immediately. You can protect your income without learning to code. You do not need to outcode artificial intelligence. You simply must decisively choose to stand on the judgment side of the gap.